Hey there, woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the art and craft of woodworking. Today, we're checking out 14 awesome tools from Amazon that promise to take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned craftsperson or just starting out, these gadgets will make your workflow smoother and more precise. Make sure to stick around until the end and check out all the links in the description below. Number 1. The Saker MultiFunction Foldable Level is your ultimate companion for precision leveling on any project. Its innovative design folds into a compact rectangular block for easy storage in your toolbox, bag, or workbench. Whether you are hanging pictures, installing shelves, or tackling construction tasks, this level adapts effortlessly to your needs. Featuring 4 clear blue acrylic vials, it provides reliable measurements with impressive accuracy for both indoor and outdoor jobs. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with durable ABS connectors and TPRN caps, it offers strength without added weight. The multi-angle feature enables you to overcome obstacles and reach challenging spots with ease. Ideal for home DIY projects or professional work, this lightweight tool promises efficiency and a flawless finish every time. Enjoy the freedom and versatility of working with a tool designed to save you time while delivering precise results on every build. Experience unmatched convenience and craftsmanship with the Saker level. Number 2. Discover the Ruer tool marking knife, a trusted partner for every woodworking and carving project. Its double-beveled blade caters perfectly to both left-handed and right-handed users, delivering clean, precise scribing every time. Crafted from 100% high-carbon steel and precision ground by CNC, this knife maintains a sharp edge even after extended use. The blade is heat-treated and tempered to a hardness of 58 HRC, ensuring longevity and reliable performance on both softwoods and hardwoods. The ergonomically designed hardwood handle offers a comfortable, secure grip with a flat profile to prevent rolling. Complete with a leather sheath, this tool protects both the blade and the user when not in use. Whether marking lines or carving detailed patterns, the Ruer tool marking knife brings accuracy, durability, and ease of use to your projects, making it a must-have addition to any woodworking toolkit. Experience the ultimate precision and craftsmanship every single time you work. Number 3. Experience the precision and effortless control of the Kakuri router plane handheld 21mm, a masterfully crafted Japanese tool that brings elegance and accuracy to every woodworking project. Designed as a pole plane, it delivers consistent and controlled grooves with minimal effort, making it ideal for cutting dados and refined grooves for traditional shoji doors. The razor-sharp Japanese steel blade is engineered for clean, smooth cuts and comes ready to work after a quick adjustment. Handcrafted in Japan, this tool combines timeless craftsmanship with modern functionality. Its compact size and lightweight design, measuring just 7 inches, allow you to work one-handed, making it perfect for both detailed projects and on-the-go jobs. Whether you're carving intricate designs or simply ensuring perfect alignment, the Kakuri router plane is a dependable companion that elevates your woodworking experience every time. Number 4. The Rack MultiTool Pen is a versatile, all-in-one gadget that makes everyday tasks simpler, reliable, and fun to execute. With a heavy-duty aluminum metal body built to last, it stands up to endless tough projects, from home improvement and construction to electrical repairs and DIY adventures. Each pen in this 11-in-1 2-pack is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a bright LED light, stylus top, dual standard and metric rulers, and a bubble level for quick, accurate measurements. It also includes a bottle opener and Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you're equipped for any challenge. With 2 ink refills for extra longevity, this tactical pen blends functionality and style, making it perfect for on-the-go fixes or office tasks. Number 5. The SpeedTool Router Sled is a game-changing addition for woodworking enthusiasts who need a reliable guide for flattening slabs. Built with 6061 high-strength anodized aluminum alloy, this sled stands up to heavy use without bending or warping. With its laser preset position for the Z-axis and 5 adjustable height positions ranging from 3/4 inch to 6 inches, you can achieve unmatched stability and precision every time. The design features an easy slide-in bracket so your router glides in effortlessly, saving you crucial time. It comes with 2 router plates, one with pre-drilled holes and another blank for custom setups, ensuring compatibility with most routers. Plus, the package includes handy clamping tools to secure your wood plate firmly. Whether you're working on thin materials or intricate designs, this router sled kit offers a robust, versatile solution. Enhance your woodworking projects with the precision and ease of the SpeedTool router sled. Number 6. Imagine having a tool that marks deep, clear lines with precision on any material. The Tracer Deep Hole Construction Pencil is the perfect companion for every project. With its extendable 2B lead, you can mark up to 5.7 inches deep, making it ideal for small gaps, precise drill holes, and detailed woodworking. This all-purpose carpenter pencil boasts a rugged metal design that stands up to tough job sites, ensuring it lasts no matter how hard you work. Its built-in sharpener guarantees you're never caught with a dull tip, while the Tracer sight holder keeps your pencil secure on your tool belt or clipped to your shirt for easy access. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or ceramics, this versatile pencil delivers accuracy and convenience. It's a reliable marking tool that saves time and frustration, making your everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Experience dependable performance and transform your projects effortlessly. Number 7. Introducing the Skill 120V 3-inch x 18-inch belt sander, a powerful tool designed to transform your woodworking projects. Its robust 6.0 ampere motor effortlessly sands any wood surface, delivering a smooth finish fast. The pressure control technology alerts you if too much force is applied, protecting both your workpiece and the tool. It features auto-track belt alignment that keeps the sanding belt perfectly centered, ensuring consistent results throughout your sanding session. With flush edge sanding, you can work right up to the edge of your material for maximum efficiency. The built-in microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, creating a cleaner and safer workspace, and it's vacuum compatible with standard 1¼ inch hoses for added convenience. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this sander combines power, precision, and practicality to deliver outstanding performance every time. Experience unmatched efficiency and smooth craftsmanship with this reliable power tool. Number 8. Discover the MilesCraft 1324 Pocket Jig 100, a compact and versatile tool designed to reach the tightest spots and make repairs with impressive precision. Its small design lets you access hard-to-reach areas where fences just get in the way, making it perfect for repairing joints and creating clean pocket holes on the first try. The hardened steel 3/8 inch drill bushing offers tight tolerances that cut down on tear-out, ensuring every pocket is neat and exact. A recessed clamp pocket with a rare earth magnet keeps your jig secure as you move from one spot to another seamlessly. Setting up your bit is a breeze thanks to the split design, stop collar, HSS step drill bit, and magnetic T20 star driver. With built-in settings for 4 common board thicknesses, this pocket jig delivers consistent results every time, making it an essential tool for careful, high-quality woodworking. Number 9. The 5-inch professional sanding discs tool storage boxes set is an ideal solution for keeping all your sanding discs and accessories neatly organized. This set includes 8 connectable boxes, with each capable of storing up to 60 discs, ensuring you have everything right where you need it. The offset snap-on connection lets you easily configure the boxes on your workbench or mount them on a wall using the expansion screws, while the included grit classification stickers help you quickly identify the perfect grit for your project. Its space-saving design reduces clutter, making your workshop more efficient and productive. Whether you're managing hook and amp, loop discs, PSA discs, or grinding discs, this storage set keeps your tools accessible and your workspace tidy. It's practical, user-friendly, and perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who demand both quality and organization in their tools. Number 10. Experience unrivaled stability and versatility with the Maxman clamp bench vise with Post Universal. This heavy-duty vise, forged from all steel and featuring a chrome-plated spindle, is engineered with a quenching and reburning jaw for superior hardness and firm clamping force of 16.7 kilonewtons across a 0 to 75 millimeters range. Crafted to meet every woodworking or DIY need, it comes complete with an attractive orange finish, 4 bowling sticks for strong post support, soft rubber covers for better grip, and non-slip gaskets to protect your work surface. Its innovative 360-degree pivot ball allows smooth rotation and tilts up to 45 degrees, enabling multi-angle operation without removal. With universal dimensions, a sturdy 6-inch connection, and rubber pads to prevent table damage, this vise guarantees secure and reliable performance for every project, making it a must-have ally in your workshop for handcraft creations and repairs. Number 11. Discover the ultimate solution for precise contour scraping with the Alway CS6 Soft Grip Contour Scraper Set. This versatile kit is designed for painting applications and other finishing tasks that demand accuracy and finesse. Featuring 6 stainless steel blades crafted for a variety of profiles, you will have the perfect blade for every task. From concave and narrow reveals to flat work, large concave moldings, and even round moldings and casings. The set includes a handy blade file stored in the handle for convenient sharpening, so your blades remain razor sharp at all times. Changing blades is quick and efficient thanks to the specially designed storage case, while the comfortable soft grip offset handle ensures ease of use and reduced fatigue. Elevate your craftsmanship and achieve cleaner, more precise lines with this reliable, all-in-one scraper kit that makes your work both enjoyable and professional. Transform every project with confidence and expert precision. Number 12. Discover the RexBetty 25-piece metal file set, a superb toolkit that brings precision and durability to every project. Crafted from premium T12 drop forged alloy steel, each file boasts deeply milled, tempered, and coated teeth for lasting performance. With 4 large files ranging from flat to triangle, half round, and round, plus 12 precision needle files, this set meets all your filing needs. It also includes 6 pieces of sandpaper, a metal wire brush, and a pair of working gloves, neatly organized in a rugged, compact carry case. Every tool fits snugly in its designated spot, protecting them during transport. The long, soft rubber handle ensures comfort even during extended use. This versatile file set makes a great addition to any workshop, allowing you to tackle woodworking projects with ease and precision. Trust this toolkit to deliver excellent results time after time with its versatile range of filing options. Number 13. Introducing the 5-piece Countersink drill bit set, a game changer for any woodworking or construction project. This set features high-speed steel M2 bits with a tapered head for rapid, precise cutting and smooth finishes. You receive a combination of sizes, a set of 1/8, 9/64, and 5/32 drill bits, paired with a 3/8-inch 82 degrees counterbore, along with 11/64 and 3/16 drills, matched with a 1/2-inch 82 degrees counterbore, plus a 1/4-inch hex shank that ensures a secure grip and universal drill compatibility. The low-friction depth stop lets you accurately adjust both pilot and counterbore depths with an included wrench, while a plastic collar minimizes surface marring. This versatile set works on wood, chipboard, plywood, MDF, decking, drywall, and plastic boards. For best results, operate at approximately 200 RPM and enjoy professional quality holes every time. This Countersink set is perfect for DIY-ers and seasoned professionals, ensuring precise and efficient results every time. Number 14. The MilesCraft 1622 Sandit multi-surface sanding block is a game-changing tool that makes finishing projects effortless. Its innovative design offers 4 profiles: flat, convex, concave, and tight edge, so you can easily sand a variety of surfaces and shapes. Whether you need to smooth out a tabletop, refine the curves of a chair, or tackle hard-to-reach corners, this sanding block adapts perfectly. The quick snap sandpaper lock allows you to switch between coarse and fine grits in seconds, giving you complete control over your finish. Not only does it accept any quarter sheet of sandpaper, but it also comes with a 150 grit sandpaper, making it versatile for projects of all sizes. Enjoy the efficiency and precision that this 4-in-1 sanding block offers, and take your craftsmanship to the next level with a tool that works as hard as you do. Elevate your work with lasting excellence.